So I've got the GREENOTE cordless vacuum to try out today. This is the model GSC45, and I'm super excited because I hate corded anything, I have come to realize. And I am loving my other GREENOTE, and now that I have a second one, that means I officially have one for upstairs and one for downstairs, which makes my life so much easier because I don't have to lug it up and down the stairs anytime I want to switch where I'm cleaning with it. And I just am so excited that I can finally do that because, like I said, I hate corded things. I've come to find out because I'm going from room to room and I'm constantly having to unplug and find a new outlet and all of that not fun stuff. And also I hate our old vacuum. I've come to realize it is a pain in the behind to take apart to clean whenever it gets clogged, and then it's constantly getting clogged, so then it's not sucking up anything very well, and it's so heavy and hard to maneuver, and it makes me hate vacuuming. But this thing actually makes me enjoy vacuuming to the part where I could do it every day and be just fine with that. Usually I vacuum once a week because I hate it. This thing makes me want to vacuum every day. It's not even that it's like, oh, since I have a nice vacuum, I'm okay with vacuuming every day. It's kind of almost like, oh, I have this cool vacuum and it makes me want to vacuum every day. So we're gonna open this up and get all the goodies out. So it comes with all these like instructions here, nice and nifty. Open it up. You've got a warranty card. You've got the manual. And then you got all the attachments. So we've got the little duster brush thing, which is nifty for like in the corners, and baseboards, stuff like that. You've got the charger, got the extender piece, and I love how nice and lightweight these are. We've got the battery, which this one's battery actually detaches so that you can charge it, the main part, and it has a light. And this one is actually also mountable too. You can mount it to charge it, or you can detach the battery to charge it. So that's nifty. Then you have the motor itself. This thing, super easy to empty out. It comes with your crevice tool, which is great for, once again, corners, getting in the couch. It comes with this nifty tool that I love because you got a little brush thing that you can use to clean it, and it has this little razor piece that you can use to cut, like, you know how hair gets wrapped around the brush? You can just cut it. And this thing is also so much easier to clean than our other one is. Look, it literally, are you kidding me? This one's even easier than the other one. It has this little lock switch that you can unlock, and you can just pull it out, and you can easily get in and clean inside of this thing when it gets all gunked up and full of dust. That is literally like amazing. This thing is super simple to put together. And then you just pop whatever attachment you want onto the end of it. This part is extendable, so you can make it however tall you want it. Put the battery on. Over here, it's got this little indicator that will tell you how charged it is. You just press the trigger. You can. She hates vacuums, like a lot. This little button over here, you can adjust the suction with, and it's super lightweight, okay? Super lightweight, love. See those vacuum lines? Our old vacuum, like, never could leave actual vacuum lines in this carpet. I turned it off so you can hear, but the swivel's nice. Like, you see how smooth that thing swivels over? You can get right up under stuff.